Make peat pots. Are you into gardening, growing your own food and flowers? Are you also into cutting back on waste and saving the environment? Do you like to save money whenever you can? If this is you, then you may want to consider making your own peat pots. The first thing you will want to do is to get some plastic plant trays. Most garden stores are happy to give you their old trays for free. The next thing you need is toilet paper rolls. Yes, you did read that right. Cut the toilet paper rolls in half, then cut the bottom in 4 places, folding the flaps inward to make it an actual container. Put some tape on if that makes you more comfortable, but since it is going to get wet, it isn't necessary. Next, you will want to place your creations on the tray and put soil in them. For best results, put water in the tray, and let the pots absorb on their own. You can do the same thing with other cardboard rolls. This way you can make whatever size peat pots that you need. Another way to make peat pots yourself is to use newspaper. You want to give the seedlings lots of room and air. So the suggestions I'm giving are actually better for your plants than the pots that you buy. You can make newspaper pots as deep as you want, giving this an additional advantage over traditional peat pots. First, cut a bunch of strips out of newspaper. Then wrap the strips around your fingers to make a tube. Seal the tube with masking tape. If you are making a bigger peat pot, use several layers of newspaper. From there, follow the instructions for the toilet paper rolls. The one disadvantage that newspaper peat pots have is they have no bottom and are somewhat difficult to move. Using tomato paste to seal your pots would make them completely biodegradable. Using your old cans would be yet another alternative for making your own peat pots. Cut the cans to whatever size that you need. And then follow the same procedure as above. The drawback with cans is that they are not really biodegradable. Including your children in the making of peat pots would be an excellent educational experience for them. Not only will they be learning about gardening, they will also become familiar with how to grow plants in the way that is best for the environment. And instilling these principles in them now will make them much more aware as they grow up and move on their own. So get started making your peat pots today. You will not be sorry that you did.